Welcome to Health and Fitness. Today we're discuss about 5 superfood that West held eat after age 50. Number 1. Pomegranates offer various health benefits, especially for individuals aged 50 and above. They are rich in antioxidants, which may help combat age-related oxidative stress and inflammation. Pomegranates also support heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Additionally, they contain compounds that may contribute to joint health and potentially reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Number 2. Chia seed. Chia seeds offer several potential benefits for individuals over 50, including being a good source of omega-3 fatty acids for heart health, providing fiber for digestive health. Number 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes provide potassium, which helps maintain blood pressure and supports cardiovascular health. The fiber content in tomatoes aids digestion and may help manage weight, a concern for many as they age over 50. Number 4. Yogurt. Yogurt high in protein. Greek yogurt supports gut health, bone density, and may contribute to maintaining muscle mass. Number 5. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon supports heart health and may reduce inflammation, benefiting those over 50. Do like and subscribe.